show Coffee with Kanika, unapologetically vocal. So how are you all doing? Let the people join in and then we'll begin with our today's session. And our today's session is on Face Your Fears. As you sign in, let me know you're from which country, you're from which city. It's a public platform and people join in from the different parts of the world. So as you sign in, do let me know you're from which country, you're from which city. And to the people who are joining in for the first time, I want to share with you Coffee with Kanika, unapologetically vocal, is a positive platform on mental health awareness. It's a platform where you can express yourself, you can vent out your feelings, and you can be very vocal about yourself, and nobody is going to judge you or label you. So it's a platform to express, not impress. And I'm very excited to share with you that our today's guest for the talk show is Sai, and she is a very famous and very renowned Indian TV actress. She has done various TV serials such as Sara Akansh and Ek Ladki Anjani Si, and she has even won the Star Parivar Award for Favorite Beti. And I am really excited to invite her on our show. So I cannot wait anymore, and I would just invite Sai on our talk show, Coffee with Kanika. And as you sign in, hi Sai, how are you? So nice to see you.
Same here. Thank you so much for having me. Hi.
Big thanks to you for, taking out your precious time and coming on our show, Coffee with Kanika, which is, on mental health awareness initiative. And I'm very glad and very excited to have you on our show. And you're looking very beautiful as always.
Oh, thank you so much. So are you. Thank you.
Thank you. So, guys, before I start with our today's talk show, that is Face Your Fears, I want to share with you, Sai is doing a very interesting, Instagram live show that is Dirt Diaries, and it's every Wednesday, 11 p.m. And I have seen it, and I truly want to say you, it's so entertaining and so interesting and so creative. So if you want to entertain yourself, if you want to enjoy with your family, so please do watch Dirt Diaries every Wednesday, 11 p.m. Yes?
Thank you. Thank you so much.
And, because you're doing Dirt Diaries, so I thought that today's topic should be very interesting and it should be on Face Your Fears. So before I start with today's topic, I want to ask you one thing which is very interesting. आपको डर लगता है?
बहुत ज़्यादा, बहुत चीजों से.
अच्छा, कौन सी कोई ऐसी चीज जो आप बताना चाहोगे?
भूतों से तो of course.
And you are doing Dirt Diaries.
And that's what I thought. I said the best way to overcome my fear is to probably do something about it. So maybe, in that process, my fear would go away. So yeah, that's why Dirt Diaries.
So फिर Wednesday को शो के बाद नींद आ जाती है?
कोशिश करती हूँ पर नहीं आती.
That's very very interesting. So आज 2020 में लोगों को बहुत फेयर्स हैं, बहुत ज्यादा फेयर्स हैं. लोगों का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट फेयर तो जो वर्ल्ड वाइड लेवल पे चल रहा है, एंड आई डू सो मच ऑफ एज अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट वर्चुअल सेशंस जब होती है तो पीपल नॉर्मली टेल मी द बिगेस्ट फेयर व्हिच इज रनिंग वर्ल्ड वाइड इज फेयर ऑफ कोरोना. लोगों को ये बहुत ज्यादा फेयर है कि हमें कोरोना ना हो जाए. And it is, at a worldwide, I receive a lot of messages. They ask me what we should do and how we should get rid of this fear. And in fact, I'll be very honest with you because लोगों को लगता है जैसे कि जो psychologist होते हैं ना वो God होते हैं या पता नहीं उनके अंदर कौन सी ऐसी sixth power होती है. Even 1 week back जब मुझे मेरे को flu हुआ तो I also got this first thought in my mind, अरे कोरोना तो नहीं हो गया.
But so, naturally, एक तो वो है, उससे रिलेटेड भी इतनी सारी चीजें हैं ना, वर्क वाइज, ये वाइज. आई थिंक वो क्यूमुलेटिवली सारे फियर्स जब एक साथ आ जाते हैं ना, that is I think what is making people even more overwhelmed with corona.
So I want to ask you one very important question. ये जो fear of corona है, I am sure आपको भी, जब it has hit everybody in,
Right.
जिनको कोरोना हुआ है, उनको तो क्या कहते हैं, प्रॉब्लम हुई है, जिनको नहीं हुआ उनको भी, किसी ना किसी तरीके से कोरोना हैज इनडायरेक्टली हिट देम. सो आई वांट टू आस्क यू कि हाउ हैव यू एंड हाउ आर यू एक्चुअली डीलिंग विद दिस फियर ऑफ कोरोना, इन योर फैमिली सराउंडिंग्स. कुछ ना कुछ तो माइंड में रहता ही है, आई एम श्योर.
देखिए, there is a thin line between being पॉजिटिवली स्केर्ड अबाउट समथिंग कि नहीं यार ये यू हैव, ये हो सकता है, थोड़ा सा डर होना, पॉजिटिवली एक डर होना चाहिए कि यार ये सब चीजें मैं नहीं करूं. लेकिन एक होता है कि आप ना पैरानोया लेवल पे चले जाते हो, व्हेन यू जस्ट गेट पैरानोइड अबाउट थिंग्स, अरे बाप रे मैं ये करूंगा तो ये हो जाएगा, अरे बाप रे मैं सांस लूंगा अगर बाहर जाके तो मुझे कोरोना हो जाएगा. सो आई फील वो बहुत जरूरी है टू अंडरस्टैंड कि यू शुड नॉट गेट पैरानोइड, but at the same time, mentally you should know कि this is the situation right now. It is a very very dangerous thing that can happen. तो एक पॉजिटिवली आप उसको लेके चलो कि हाँ, अगर मैं सारे प्रिकॉशंस लूंगा तो मुझे चांसेस है कि नहीं होगा. आई हैव टू ट्राई एंड लीड अ लाइफ एज नॉर्मल एज पॉसिबल, कीपिंग दिस इन माइंड. तो वो बैलेंस अगर आप लाने की कोशिश करो तो वो, आई गेस देन इट्स पॉसिबल टू डू इट. तो मैं वही कर, आई डोंट गेट वेरी ओवरवेल्म्ड बाय इट. मैं कि अरे बाप रे बाहर जाऊंगी तो कुछ होगा क्या. ऑफ कोर्स वो एक फेज आया था जब ये सब बहुत पहले, जब नया नया आया था तो समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा था, क्योंकि आप रोज एक व्हाट्सएप राइट हैपेंस, क्या हो सकता है क्यों.
राइट.
और आई थिंक काम का इम्पैक्ट भी मेरे ख्याल से मोर देन दैट, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल जिनको काम का बहुत फियर हो चुका है इस वक्त मेंटली. इसलिए एज अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट द पीपल आर मोर वरिड अबाउट कि अरे कोरोना से शायद हमको कुछ नहीं हो, लेकिन कल को हमारी नौकरी चली जाएगी तो दैट विल बी मोर डिफिकल्ट फॉर अस. तो इस वक्त ये अपने आप को कहीं ना कहीं मेंटली स्ट्रांग रखना कि अगर मेंटली आप स्ट्रांग रहोगे तो काम आएगा इवेंचुअली. थिंग्स आर गोना बी ऑल राइट, दे हैव टू बी, दैट्स हाउ इट इज सपोज्ड टू बी. बस अपना मानसिक संतुलन जो है वो जितना हो सके आप उसको ठीक रखें.
That's so beautiful. I mean, you are speaking, exactly like the lines of psychologists. I'm so happy to hear it. And, so impressive. So, ये जो आपने एक बड़ा important point share किया है कि लोगों को fear of corona के साथ और भी बहुत ज़्यादा fears which are, interconnected rather. Very rightly said, interconnected है. So मेरा एक ये आपसे, I want to ask you how we should deal, because fears तो बहुत ज्यादा है, बहुत different kinds के fears और phobias होते हैं. But today I want to actually emphasize, हम हर fear पे तो बात नहीं कर सकते, but I want to emphasize on is majorly on the social fears. जो fears, if I talk about, लोगों को इस बहुत fear होता है, fear of being judged, fear of failures. Fear of losing, fear of losing their loved ones, fear of insecurity, fear of losing their job, as you have very rightly said. And, I think बहुत बार तो ये होता है कि लोग जो करना चाहते हैं अपनी लाइफ में, बहुत से ड्रीम्स होते हैं, विशेस होते हैं, वो सपने ही रह जाते हैं, क्योंकि लोगों को ये होता है कि, fear of being judged, लोग क्या कहेंगे. और मैं आपके साथ एक इसमें बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट शेयर करना चाहती हूँ. जैसे हमारा शो है मेंटल हेल्थ अवेयरनेस इनिशिएटिव पे, बहुत से लोग, WHO में ये फाइंड आउट हुआ है कि 60% ऑफ द पीपल, they don't express their mental illness because of the fear of being judged or labeled. उनको होता है कि लोग क्या कहेंगे, अरे तुम्हारे को डिप्रेशन हो गया, अरे तुम्हारे को पैनिक अटैक्स आते हैं, अरे तुम्हारे को स्ट्रेस लेवल, एनीथिंग रिलेटेड टू द मेंटल इलनेस, पीपल ट्राई टू स्टार्ट गिविंग द judgment or label. And that's why I started this talk show, very openly. And my talk show's punchline is unapologetically vocal. So it's a platform where you can come, where you can express yourself, you can be vocal about yourself, and you can vent out your feelings, and nobody is going to judge you or label you. So I truly believe, as a psychologist, we have to give a platform to people where they can talk. So I want to, ask you very important question is that how do you, I'm sure you might have also faced, and every human faces the fear of being judged. So log kya kahenge? So how do you deal with this?
I think a lot depends on the parenting, to be very honest. कि जब बच्चा छोटा होता है उसी वक्त अगर उसे ये सिखाया जाए कि देखो दुनिया देख रही है, लोग क्या बोलेंगे, तो वो कहीं ना कहीं बहुत डीप रूटेड साइकोलॉजिकल लेवल पर आगे लंबा चलता है. So I was very lucky to have parents who told me from the beginning as a child, you have to do things for your happiness. You have to
Wow.
be somebody when you feel good about it. What people say, it doesn't matter. I remember so clearly once my father telling me, he says, अगर तुम फूलों की दुकान भी खोलो ना, if you sell flowers also, be the best in that. People should come to you
Wow.
and say कि यार सबसे अच्छे फूल यहाँ पे मिलते हैं. So the point is, it doesn't matter what people. So I feel आजकल के parents अगर ताकि अगली आने वाली पीढ़ी, क्योंकि अगली पीढ़ी is
Right.
going to be even more anxious. They are more anxious than the older generation. So I feel if the
Right.
parents help the children now, instead of putting in too much anxiety in them, anxiety of trying to be good, trying to French भी आना चाहिए, piano भी आना चाहिए, soccer भी आना चाहिए, कोई जरूरत नहीं है इतना सब कुछ आने की. You are born with a certain
बिल्कुल.
talent. We are born,
Right.
all of us are unique. We all have something or the other inside us. तो जैसे जैसे
Right.
बच्चा बड़ा होता है, try and identify whatever his flaws are. Don't make it कि देखो वो देखो ये करा, तुम कुछ नहीं कर पा रहे हो. ट्राई एंड हेल्प हिम कम आउट ऑफ इट. और हर एक की अपनी कैपेसिटी है, जितना हो सके उसको एनहांस करो. नहीं हो पाए, डोंट पुश इट. आई थिंक दैट विल हेल्प द
Great.
नेक्स्ट जनरेशन, एज अभी की जो जनरेशन है, आगे जो छोटे वाले जो भी जाएंगे. एंड एज फार एज फियर ऑफ बीइंग जज्ड, I feel, to be very honest, na, who is judging also are being judged. So
Right.
it really doesn't matter what people are, because at the end of the day, nobody is going to come and live your life. ठीक है, अगर आपका
Very true.
कॉन्शियस जगह पे है, कॉन्शियस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू हैव. वट एवर यू फील इज योर इनर वॉइस. इफ दैट इज विथ यू, दैट इज ऑल दैट मैटर्स. यू नो योर कॉन्शियस, बट यू हैव टू बी ऑनेस्ट टू योरसेल्फ. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल, ये लोग कहते हैं कि यार हम अपने आप से झूठ नहीं बोल सकते. एक्चुअली ये गलत है. लोग अपने आप से बहुत झूठ बोलते हैं और लोग अपने आप को
Very
बिलीव
nice.
कराते कि नहीं ये है. तो आप अगर अपने आप से ऑनेस्ट हो ना, जो भी आप हो, जैसे भी हो, अगर ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं यार ये मेरा गलत जा रहा है, मुझे इंप्रूव करना चाहिए, तो ही आप करो. जस्ट बिकॉज आपको कोई बोल रहा है तो नहीं, जब तक आपको अंदर से न लगे. तो आपके अपने आप से जुड़ो, अपने कॉन्शियस के साथ जुड़ो, एंड दैट्स ऑल यू मैटर्स. और बाकी वी आर ऑल हियर, यू नो. सच कहे, देयर इज नथिंग एज सक्सेस एंड फेलियर. यू नो, आप, इट कंप्लीटली डिपेंड्स ऑन व्हाट यू थिंक. किसी के लिए एक अच्छी फैमिली लाइफ होना ही बहुत बड़ा सक्सेस है, किसी के
बिल्कुल.
लिए. सो
Very
इट डजंट
nice.
रियली मैटर. यू नो, आप एक होलसम जिंदगी जियो, हैव समथिंग टू स्माइल अबाउट, हैव समथिंग व्हिच मेक्स यू फील गुड. आई थिंक दैट्स द वे टू लिव लाइफ. सो दैट्स इम्पोर्टेंट.
Wonderful. I think wonderful. And you know, इसमें एक चीज जो I always try to share as a psychologist, that you need to validate, you know, yourself. You need to accept yourself. We always, you
Yeah.
know, are looking and seeking the approval and validation and acceptance from others. If others are going to say that it is successful, it's successful. So getting connected with your inner voice and your inner self is very important. And even if you're wrong, we are all humans. We are going to we made mistakes. We are making mistakes. We will make mistakes. But ultimately, it's very important that, you know, start understanding people rather than, you know, judging them. So ये बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, because it's very easy to judge someone, but it's very difficult to, you know, understand someone. So let's all get into the habit of, you know, understanding.
And I also believe people who are judgmental are usually the ones who have most complexes. Because a person who has least complexes is somebody who accepts people for what they are. The person who
Right.
has more complexities inside him will be always the one who will be judging others and saying, अरे ये खराब है. जिसको अपने बारे में बहुत confidence हो, या अपने से जो लगे कि who feels good about things, will never be judgmental about others. So when somebody
Yes.
is judging you, always realize that the person has more insecurity and complexes and has lower self-esteem probably. That's why the person is judging you.
Exactly. And people and the viewers who are watching us, if you agree with us, so please type yes. And if you have any questions, so please do ask us. We are there to answer you. And you know, this is one of the best time where you can actually express anything which is in your mind. Because as a psychologist, I'm really sure about it. Some of the other thoughts are running in your mind. So don't let them run from the left hemisphere to the right hemisphere. Express it. Okay, so you know, I have something really interested, and one more question that I really want to ask you is, so there are you know, people have come across with few questions, but I have missed it out because we were
into the session.
Discussion.
Okay, let's it come further. So, would you like to share any of your biggest fear that you have overcome it? Except
You
जो
know,
आपने
it's
ghost की बात की, उसके अलावा कोई ऐसा fear?
there are, having fears is a constant process, and overcoming them is a constant process. You
Right.
can't say कि आज मुझे इस चीज का डर लग रहा है तो अब कल परसों फिर से लग सकता है. So it's a constant process. I wouldn't say that I don't get fearful कि कल को यार if I don't get the kind of work that I want. It is a constant. There are a lot of fears that keep playing. That's what I'm saying. That's normal. But the
Yeah.
point is, if I don't let it get into the paranoia zone na, and have fear a constructive way in my mind कि नहीं यार ये मुझे fear लगता है, I should work towards it. Then I think it all works. Like all of us today who are connected to media, we have no idea what's going to happen.
Right.
Tomorrow what's going to happen, we have no idea. Things are getting digital, the different kind of mediums that have come. So we all have this inherent fear inside कि कल क्या होगा. But तो obviously मुझे भी fear है कि यार कल को will there be work enough, there'll be good work enough, what is expected, what else can we do, तो but as I said कि वो ठीक है, वो constructive fear है, वो अच्छा है. That helps me, pushes me also to work,
Yes.
try different things, not get stuck. वो progress के लिए जरूरी है. So
Right.
जहां पे मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि fear कहीं paranoia हो रहा है, I stop myself and I say कि okay, इतना डरने की भी जरूरत नहीं है, ठीक है सब. It's not all that
So
bad.
I think very rightly said
So, yeah.
that constructive fear is good, but destructive fear is very bad. And in
Yeah.
any, in any fearful situation, actually there are two choices in life. Either we face that fear or we flight
Yeah.
from that fear. Flight from fear is that we try to run, we try to escape, we try to avoid. और इससे मुझे वो एक एग्जाम्पल याद आता है बचपन का कि जब कोई भी हॉरर मूवीज आ रही होती थी, हॉरर सीन्स आते थे, तो हम अपनी आंखें बंद कर लेते थे और हम या चैनल बदल देते थे या टीवी को ऑफ कर देते थे, बिकॉज वी आर ट्राइंग टू एक्चुअली रन अवे, अवॉइड इट और एस्केप इट. बट देन अल्टीमेटली इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट आपके जो भी सोशल fears हैं, especially the fear of insecurity. Insecurity is a part and parcel of life. There is, I think Corona has made everybody realize that life is very uncertain and you need to accept it as it comes, and living in the present is very, very important. So
Absolutely.
I actually, want to discuss one more very important point with you that जैसे अभी तो हमने बात की कि fear of being judged, और आपने इतनी सुंदरता से बताया है that how people should deal, and it's very important to get connected with your conscious self. What about the fear of fear of failures? लोगों को बहुत होता है, और बहुत बार तो लोग क्या कहते हैं, अपने एक अटेम्प्ट में ही गिव अप कर देते हैं और एक दो बार ट्राई करते हैं, and then they are like this is not my cup of tea, or I won't be able to do it. So how to handle? I'm sure I have also faced a lot of these fears of failures as well, and I think fear is the failure is the best teacher of life, because it teaches you a lot of best lessons of life. So how one should handle the fear of failure?
Failure is, again, I feel, a relative term. What is failure? Failure is एक आपके हाथ से प्रोजेक्ट निकल गया, एक चीज आपकी अच्छी नहीं हुई. See, more than learning, I feel success जब अब मिलता है, we consider it कि यार ये तो मुझे मिलना ही था. Failure is also like that. Failure is also part. I feel you should not let anything become so big for you. Success also should be a part of like कि हाँ यार ये भी normal है, failure भी उतना ही normal है जितना success है. I feel that is what keeps you going. The point is to keep moving in a direction. As you're moving, there'll be failure, there'll be success, there'll be failure, there'll be success. The point is to keep progressing. It's a journey.
Yeah, keep moving.
Keep going through, keep moving, and keep absorbing things, see things, understand things, change yourself as in how you go. What you like, keep it. What you don't like, discard it. You don't have to keep having things which you don't like. People who come in your life, if they're toxic, if you don't feel that they are good enough, just let them go from your life and keep moving. And that is
Very
the
positive.
most important. The minute you stop in life, that is where the problem happens. When you start living in the past, अरे ये हुआ था, अरे वो हुआ था, वो हो चुका है. वो
Right.
नहीं होगा दोबारा. अगर आप सेम चीज भी दोबारा क्रिएट करो, फिर भी कुछ अलग होगा. you know, वो same चीज
Wow.
वापस नहीं हो सकती. So the point is to just keep moving. You know, every day, every morning is a new sunrise. It's a beautiful new day. See what you can do, what you can, you know. And believe me, I so believe nothing can be that bad in your life that you have nothing to live for or a reason to look forward to. There can be something that you have to look forward to. Everyone has. So we have to just see that, and I know it's easier said than done, but that is the only way. There is no other way.
I think you're very right, because you know, I feel so connected with you. The lines that are you are saying it and you are applying it. Me as a psychologist, dude, so I can totally 100% relate with you. And ये लोग जो नहीं जो कहते हैं कि नहीं हो पाता, ये इसलिए है क्योंकि वो they don't you know do it regularly. One, you make it a part of your practice and part of your day-to-day life, then these things are, you know, automatically. And I'm so impressed with your talks, with your words. They are such a words of wisdom. So जैसे कहा जाता है, there is a Japanese proverb that fall 7 times but get up 8 times. It's very important and it's a part of process. Success भी आएंगे, failures भी आएंगे, उनको भी accept करो. Celebrate your success and failures all together and learn from them and move ahead.
And
So
laugh a lot. I feel the best thing to do is to laugh at everything. You know, even if there is something which is, just laugh it off. Make it a joke and laugh it off. And believe me, it starts getting better after that.
So guys, if you believe that laughing is the best medicine, so please type yes. And if you have any questions which are coming up, people are writing, you are very beautiful. And you know, then there are what is your, so many questions are, you know, popping up like this. So tell me how, so what's the reason you are so beautiful? Okay, this is something.
I guess it's in the eyes of the beholder. I think if you're in your eyes, if you feel I'm beautiful, then that's what probably I am. Thank you.
Great. That's very nice and wonderful thoughts. Feeling so positive. I, as a psychologist, is feeling so positive with your words. Okay, so
Yes,
one thing that I want
is the
to.
best medicine.
Yes.
Juhi says laughter
So
is
guys,
the best medicine. I agree.
Yes. So guys, if you have any question, please do ask us. This is a, you know, platform where you can not only listen us, you can even ask any question which is in your mind. You have always been watching it, and I think today everybody is so you know, engaged in just watching you. You know, they are also impressed. So people who have joined, so you know, they want to just engage and involve. So guys, any question which is related to face your fears is in your mind, please do ask us. I'm so beautiful because I believe in it. So no need for others' approval.
Very
exactly.
kind of you. It's very kind of everyone for all these beautiful compliments. Thank you so much for all of them. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay. So So one more thing that I want to, you know, ask you is that what is the, you know, one last good message that you want to give to our viewers who are watching? And because then this, you know, our video will be on all different platforms. So what would you like to say to everyone who are facing a lot of fears in their life?
I would like to say one thing. We are all born with a purpose. You know, the reason why we are alive and we are still here, that there is a reason behind it, you know. So there's no point in giving up on life. Life is actually very beautiful, and that's how it is. So there is, people might give you mantras for it. People might say कि ये तरीका है. There's no तरीका. आप discover करते रहो. Every day is a new day. Find out, but one thing is very important. Find out a reason to be happy. You know, sometimes it's a little difficult. Things are little dark around. You feel यार कोई reason ही नहीं मिल रहा है. लेकिन फिर भी reason होगा. तो उस reason को ढूंढो and keep that with you. Keep it in your heart. Have purity of thoughts. Don't let negative thoughts come. Even if you know that you're feeling negative, tell yourself कि no, I don't want to be. Be away from people who are negative. I personally feel you have to be little, you know, you have to think about yourself a little. And if you feel that somebody is negative, somebody doesn't make you feel good about life, just don't let the person come in your life, you know, till the person doesn't change his or her attitude. And I think that's it. Nice. You know, be happy and laugh.
Wonderful. So guys, I want to share with you, as she has very rightly said, that you know, laughing is the best medicine, and you need to be positive. अपने अच्छे टाइम पे तो सब पॉजिटिव होते हैं, लेकिन बुरे टाइम पे जो पॉजिटिव होता है वही आपकी असली जीत होती है, और हार के जीतने वाले को ही बाजीगर कहते हैं. मैंने बोला हम भी थोड़ी सी लाइन बोल दें मुंह. Okay, so one thing which I want to share is that try to practice positive affirmations. Creating your positive jar is very, very important. And try to make this positive affirmations part of it. It's a wonderful therapy. To the people who are live with us, and to the viewers who will watch it, that positive affirmation therapy is very, very important. Your negative thoughts will be only erased with your positive thought, and positive thought has a lot of energy and power. So today I'm feeling so demotivated, but what will you do when your near ones always ready to demotivate you? As I think Sai, I think आपने बहुत अच्छे से ये point share किया है.
Block it. Just tell them, अरे जो भी आपको बोलना है बोलो, लेकिन मुझे पता है I'm the best. बस. In your mind, in your heart, all is well, all is well. बस यही बोलते जाओ. मैंने जिंदगी भर यही believe किया है. So whenever, and trust me, I'm saying it with all my heart. There have been times when I've just felt, अरे यार ये क्या है? ये this is so difficult. And I've just kept telling myself, you are the best, you are the best, all is well, सब ठीक होगा. And so even if near and dear ones, there are people who really love you, and I will never demotivate you. और अगर for whatever reasons in their life, if they are going through something and they are trying to demotivate you, just tell them, अच्छा ठीक है यार, आपको ऐसा लगता है ना, कोई बात, मुझे नहीं लगता, बस. That's it. In your heart, but in your heart, Juhi, as you say, in your heart, just believe that you are the best, you are good, and you're going to get better. That's about it.
Okay, so I like a quote always stated by Kanika Mehra. Exhale. So I always share with them that exhale negativity and inhale positivity. So negativity को बाहर निकालो और positivity को अंदर लो. And she is I truly believe she is a perfect motivation. And I think आपको ट्रेनिंग सेशंस और जो वर्चुअल साइकोलॉजी के सेशंस होते हैं उनमें बुलाना चाहिए. यू आर एक्सट्रीमली वाव फैक्टर of giving a positive energy.
No, I have to give a lot of credit to my mother, my father, my husband, and my daughter for this. To be very honest, they have been they have so much of positivity in them that I feel I have been blessed to have them in my life.
Yeah, so the environmental factors plays a very important role, and if due to any case your environmental factor is not supporting and they are demotivating, so you can take a pause and you can keep a distance to respect yourself, to respect your emotions, your feelings, and to respect them as well. So I think जब बातें नहीं बन रही होती है तो that doesn't mean that you try to erase them, but try to keep a pause and a distance so that things get sorted with time. They also realize it where they were wrong. You will also realize it. So self introspection is very important. And
one more thing I feel, which is what I would want to really tell everyone, is if you are getting into an argument now, arguments never have any good outcome. Right. There's no positivity out to arguments. So if there is a fight or an argument happening, just keep quiet. And believe me, 99% of the times things get resolved. क्योंकि उस वक्त अगर एक भी बंदा चुप हो जाए ना, which if it is you only, then the person realizes after some time कि अरे यार ये शायद गलत था जो मैंने बोल दिया. तो 99% of the times ना बहुत चीजें prevent हो सकती है अगर आप उस वक्त चुप हो जाओ और उस वक्त वो block कर दो जो बात कर रहे हैं, उसको ध्यान मत दो उस चीज को. So I feel you should try doing that. If you're getting into it, if somebody is arguing with you, somebody is venting out their frustration with you, at that point in time, just keep quiet. Just don't say anything. And believe me, it does work.
So I'm sure. Try to understand each other. Each other is very important. And guys, if you have any question, please do ask us. So we are going to, because we have a time limit as well. And just 1 minute more to go. So if anything is coming in your mind, please do ask us. You have got a very golden opportunity to ask any question from Sai. And she is live with us. Okay, so he has written 8 a.m. in Canada right now.
Good morning.
Thank you, Kelly, for joining. That's very good of you and very kind of you. So guys, if you have any question, please do ask us. So true family sport is the biggest. Great. So I think that has been the best of the session so far on Coffee with Kanika, and I am really glad and very thankful to you for joining us on this, session, which is Face Your Fears. And I am truly, very hopeful that you have given so much of, positive vibes, positive energy to everyone. And it has really helped everyone. I mean, I will be very honest, as a psychologist, you have, really inspired me. So I'm sure these, all the participants are really inspired. And guys, thank you so much for watching us. And I will meet you next Saturday on your show, that's Coffee with Kanika. Till then, stay blessed, stay strong, and keep spreading positivity to each other. Thank you.
Yes, absolutely. Be happy, stay blessed, stay strong. We are going to overcome this. Take care.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, Kanika. Thank you.